What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got a different kind of RC video. This car actually is from Temu, and this set is from Temu. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, but I just wanted to get us a quick look because you get a lot for your dollar with some of this stuff, and I want to see, is it worth it? Let's get into it. So what I want to first do, I'm going to get into this little toolkit I got, this set right here, and I'm going to let you see what's inside of it. You got the hex drivers, you got the screw kit. You also get a screw plate where you can put the screws in there with magnets at the bottom. Last but not least, you get a stand. Now here go the screw kit, what jumps inside. You got 3.5, 3.0s, 2.5s. You get body clips, all types of screws. Even give you a little L wrench to go with it, but you know I'm not gonna use those. This is not bad. You get washers, you get nuts to go with the screws. It's not a bad little setup right here. Now, this is what I wanted. This is what I want to see. Because at the price point of this, if these heads are any good, or you know, this is definitely worth having. This is a nice little set to have. You got tweezers, help you with them difficult screws you got to pull out and can't reach. You got a flat head. I don't know what this is. And here go these are the hexes. Okay, these are the hexes. Silver, stainless steel. You got the Phillips. This is what I needed. Like, I got a couple hex sets, but nothing came with it, like a screwdriver head. Mine's just was basic for hobby grade cars. You get the extenders. I don't know what these is for. Maybe make it longer. And you got this piece. Slides in there. Let's see if it's magnetized, or do you tighten it? All right, this is the stuff that come in the stand. Let's put this thing together real quick. You got your magnets, you got your bottom part, and we'll throw this together real quick, and then I'm gonna pull out the car so I can put the car on this. Okay, this is how we do it. Let's do the screw kit now. I put the stand together. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, it's not bad. This is a lot of stuff. This comes with a lot of stuff in here. Comes with a lot of things. This will help you. Like, I'll put this, I'll leave this at my probably in a little bag or something. So when I'm out, I can work on the cars, give you all this stuff, real hex. Be nice if they gave you a 17 millimeter, but hey, that's good enough. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna pull out the car and let you check that out. So stay tuned. Boom! There go the car. The car right here. Turbo. And the name of the car is, I guess that's the name of the car. It's Turbo. But from what I'm seeing, yeah, let's see. Let's look on the side of the box. Let y'all check that out. On the side of the box, it says had a waterproof brushless ESC of 50 amp, a 2847 brushless motor, module 7.4, 1500 Li-ion battery, high torque servo, steering servo, metal shocks, absorbers. They're not, they're absorbers. You got metal differentials, metal spur gear, and main pinion. You got metal steel CVDs, and you have a metal drive shaft with full ball bearings. I mean, it don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. But everything will be in the description below, so you can yeah, these is dampeners. You got a 2.4 gigahertz radio, and now I'm gonna let you check out the color of it. Now I'm gonna let y'all know it looks awesome. But okay, let me throw it up here real quick. And here go the car right here. Yo, this is called the Black Hole. The Black Hole. Look at that suspension. Jesus Christ. Like a pogo stick. But hey, I like how it looks. I'm not gonna lie. The tires. Like how it looks. You can see the body got LED lights right here in the front. If you can see that, you got lights right here. You got lights right here. You got the drivers in there. The guys looking out the side of the car. Yeah, this looks cool though. You got look like 12mm. I don't know if these is. It's a Phillips head. I'm gonna take this off too. But yeah, check out the car underneath the chassis. There you go. Got your wheelie bar. Don't have rear lights. I really like how it look. Now on the inside, let's take a look. I'm gonna take this part off so I can get a good look. Now here go the battery. It's a Li-ion battery. Fits right in there. But is pop that up. That's a nice little thing to hold it in. That's where your battery is replaced at. Right in here, you got the cones. Right here, you got a heat sink on the motor. You got it nice and covered. Here go the servo. It's a micro servo. I have those. 2-in-1 ESC and receiver, which I don't care for too much. But all the hardware on here is Phillips. You got plastic turnbuckles, which is fine. You got hinge pin holders down in there, like it's metal. Front, and I can't see what the rear is too much. And I can't really see in there. They got it all cased up. Yeah, but the suspension is real bouncy. These look like these shocks look like they're adjustable. Don't get it twisted. It's adjustable shocks. It's just real bouncy. Now the battery comes with this battery, comes with the charger and a Phillips head to take the screws out. It's a wall charger. But as long as it got the plug right there, I can plug it up and charge it that way. But what I'm gonna try to do, oh yeah, here go the radio right here. You got your steering trim, and you got the speed. Okay, they got the speed all the way up. What else do you got? Anything else? No, you just got the steering trim and the speed controller. I don't know. I got small fingers, and I don't even have big hands. Your finger get jammed up in there. Oh, yeah, but I don't. It's just kind of stiff here. Real plastically feeling. It really doesn't. And underneath, you got a screw. You take that off to get to the batteries, and you takes 3 AA batteries. I'm not gonna judge a book by its cover. What I'm gonna do is throw a battery in here. I would wait for this to charge, but I don't feel like waiting for this to charge. So what I'm gonna see if this can handle 3S. And I'm gonna throw this in here. Let's see if this can handle 3S. I gotta put some batteries in it too. Where's some batteries at? Throw this up in there, because this will fit right in there. This actually is too small. But the power ain't too small. Yeah, throw that right there. You ain't gotta worry about that wire hanging out the ESC. It's right there. Just bang, put it in there. Bada boom, bada bing. There we go. So I turn the controller on. Then we're gonna turn the car on. You got the power button is right here, so you gotta hold this in. Let's see. Oh yeah, this takes 3S. You know what we about to do. Be right back. I'm gonna throw. No, actually, I want to let y'all check out the lights and stuff. You see, it got the lights right there. I want to shine directly in the camera, and then you plug this in right here, and we have how you plug this in. I can't see this crap. Jesus Christ. Them lights are bright as hell. Bang, there you go right there. You actually got tethers on the body, so that's a good thing. You ain't gotta worry about losing the nice bright lights too. Nice and bright. So what we gonna do, throw these tethers up in there, and I'm gonna take this out for a rip. Alright, got her out. Let's see, can I do one-handed drive with this thing? Is this a Brom killer right here? I don't know. I mean, full throttle. I don't know what kind of range this thing got. It's almost not that bad. I don't know why I got a wheel bar on there. This is 3S, which it ain't supposed to be on. It's not good enough. Oh yeah, I had the speed turned down to 0. I don't know. Let's see what she's gonna do. Oh! Yo, the brakes kind of tight here. Yo. Not happening. Yo, this ain't, it's not bad so far. And to be honest with you, it's a little ripple, but killer right here. They had better suspension. Stability test right there. Oh, I wish I was up close to that. No, it's not bad though. Give it some more power. You know what I mean? Throw a little system in here. I'll tell you straight from the door. This car ain't bad with what it got in it. I want to see what the range is like. There we go. We lost range right there. I knew it wouldn't make it, but so far. my thoughts on this, not bad, not bad, not bad. Only thing problem with cars like these is finding replacement parts. That's the only. Have further videos on here. A lot of stuff coming up on this. I'm gonna try tire swap. Definitely gonna try to upgrade the shocks. This little mini fire team. But this thing is called the Black. Yeah, it's not bad though. It can handle a little something. There, like I said, this off of Temu, not bad, not a bad car. See underneath, didn't really do no damage, but I ain't really bash this like I usually do. But if you're gonna be like a little average, running around type stuff, no hard bashing, this will be all right. Shocks need help though, major help. I wouldn't see need help. I mean, for the price point, you can't beat this. Can't really beat this. Can't complain. I actually like it. Not gonna lie, I actually like this. I like the body, I like how it's made, like a fire team, but guess what? This is, other cars make this body too. It's not just a fire team. Come with lights, don't come with rear lights. I would like to see rear lights on there, put a little red LED right there. Now if this work out and I could do something with this, I might install that stuff. Hopefully like they have interchangeable parts. Then it would be something else. But I never seen this before. I seen it on there and I grabbed it. See the battery's flopping around, but it's still in place. I used the factory battery and it'll work out. Like you can change this out. You just have to use a micro ESC. You know, get a little motor. Castle got something for this because this is like in the Grom category. The Groms have made a lot more hobby grade, sturdy. Got metal drive shafts, CVDs. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad. Axles up front is metal, back metal, drive shaft. I don't know the center drive shaft if that's metal. I don't really know. They didn't say that, or did they say that? They probably did say that. I think they did say that. Yeah, it's not bad. Adjustable. For some reason this don't seem like it's adjusting, but let me see if this is adjustable. Yeah, but you get some oil filled shocks. These shocks no good whether they're adjustable or not. You get some oil filled shocks on here, this thing will handle a lot better. You see how it barely flip, only flip with the brake, hard braking. Yeah, but this is from Temu, man. I don't know. I can't complain for the price. If you're looking for something different, you know, the Groms is a big deal now, so little RCs is the thing. But in comments below, let me know what you think. Would you buy that? Hit or miss, let me know. I'm gonna try to do something with this, so stay tuned. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.